thank you for joining me, Vicky, here on Heartfelt Yoga and Meditation. I'm bringing you a meditation today on Wednesday, the 1st of March, which is the meteorological start of spring here in the Northern Hemisphere. If you're in Europe, certainly spring is a little bit shy at the moment, certainly the sunshine is. And so today's meditation is just to give ourselves a little bit of sunshine inside. So you will have seen that I did a meditation 2 weeks ago, Good Morning Sunshine, and this is definitely to kind of find your sparkle inside and that sort of light within. And this is just also a reminder, we're going to be doing a solar plexus meditation today on that chakra of energy, and it's a gorgeous energy to work with. It's kind of our seat of personal power, as it were. It's a space, sort of all our chakras run down the spine, and it's the space below the breastbone and above the navel. So there's a little bit of connection into the digestive juices, which is interesting that science now kind of recognises how important our gut health is to our sort of energy and motivation. We're putting a little bit of fire in our belly, as it were, with this meditation today, just kind of connecting to it. When we've got a nice sense of balance in our solar plexus, we feel very calm, but also really energized, a real sense of clarity, purpose, where we're going in life, confidence, vitality, those kind of all positive things. Of course, when it's not in balance, we can maybe feel a little bit less than ourselves. Our confidence may drop, we may feel a little flat and tired. And we might not be sure about what direction it is. What I want to remind us with this meditation is that the power to be the positive, energetic person, or the, if we're in this stuck place without motivation, is kind of within us. In society, we tend to look outside. So we're looking outside and we're seeing grey skies perhaps and a lack of sunshine, and we're feeling it within, and we're not remembering that we have so much energy and light within us. It's a little bit like that bag that Mary Poppins has. I don't know if you've seen the film, but she's got this carpet bag that she opens, and she's always taking things out of it. We have this infinite capacity for energy from within, and it's just about connecting into that and reminding ourselves we don't need to go outside, we don't need to shop for things, we don't need to have certain things, we don't need to comfort ourselves with foods or whatever. We have it all within us. So we can be too energized sometimes in our solar plexus chakra, and these are the people that we would recognize that they're a little bit kind of workaholic almost, possibly a bit bossy, a little bit overbearing, stubborn, intolerant. So as we come to our solar plexus chakra meditation today, maybe you'll recognize that as your energy, and maybe it's just kind of a little bit more bringing it into balance. So this is a balancing meditation as much as a kind of a reinvigorating, if you need that. So first get comfortable. So that might be lying down, or you might be sitting, and just kind of relax the hands wherever they're resting. Make sure those fingers are soft, they're not held tightly, just whatever feels comfy. Perhaps close your eyes. So this is your time now. So leaving concerns, worries aside just for a moment. Just let yourself flow into this moment. See if you can relax a little bit into it. There's just right here, right now. The future, the past, they're not in this moment. So just be here. Now we might notice sounds whilst we're here, in our room, outside of them. And as we acknowledge them, we're not kind of holding on to them because the sound has probably passed. We're just kind of being aware of them and letting them go. Allow your body to relax. Give yourself permission just to soften into the position you are. So maybe the legs, the feet soften. You drop the shoulders. You check in with the soft hands. Just allow your body to soften down. Tell your head, your face to relax. Your scalp, your hair, your ears, your jaw, chin, your cheeks, your nose, your eyes, eyebrows, forehead, all softening and relaxing. Take a breath in, thinking of it as a cleansing breath in. And as you breathe out, letting go of any residual tensions that are still in your body. Let your breathing be its own natural breath, not a force, not change, not control, just whatever rhythm arrives, and just observe your breath. Breathing in a sense of relaxation, breathing out any tensions that you need to just soften and let go of. Now, thoughts often arrive in meditation, so we don't want to kind of have a frustration about this. We're just going to allow them to notice and almost sort of see them as a sort of a flow. Here they come and here they go, just like the breath. You can use your breath to come back to any point, a nice sense of anchoring. But just for now, just moving your attention now to this place, this space we think of as the solar plexus, so just above the navel, the belly button, and below the breastbone. I want you to imagine in this space here a little yellow light, just swirling around like a sort of whirlpool. Notice how it feels and how it looks. Is it a soft yellow? Is it very vibrant, fiery? Which way does the circle go round? It swirls and whirls. How fast? Does it have a sense of feeling to it? Just getting a little sense of maybe how it's functioning. Maybe as you do so, you might feel a sense of tingling here. Notice what thoughts are popping into your head as you notice the speed as it swirls, fast or slow. And a little light, an enlarged light. And as you visualise this yellow light, it's the stomach area of the solar plexus, and watch the yellow light glow. And it gently starts to expand, to get bigger. As it spins, just expanding. As you breathe in, we're going to imagine ourselves breathing in some yellow light, adding to this yellow light in our solar plexus as you inhale. Picturing some fresh yellow light being drawn down into this space, your stomach area, and just kind of adding to the light there. And as it does so, feel that light, that solar plexus chakra, just expanding, spreading a little further, connecting outwards, covering the other chakras. It reaches upwards, all the way up to the throat, above the head, which is downwards, all the way to the base of the spine. It may continue through where the legs are. And there's this giant sort of circle, as if it's almost like a spotlight on you, beginning to sort of swirl around, filled with yellow light. Feel it's sort of a nice sense of warmth to it. Feel a confidence in that, as it sort of feels to cover the whole body, chest, the hair, down to your arms and hands, the pelvis, the legs, the toes. It's lovely yellow, energetic light swirling around. And it feels quite powerful. It feels in control. But it feels balanced too. As you breathe out, kind of letting that yellow light soften your ego. Feel comfortable with your power. to gently just draw our solar plexus a little smaller back. And closing it down a little bit. So just kind of letting that swirling chakra of energy, that whirlpool, just get a little bit smaller. And we kind of bring it down to a size, maybe where it started, maybe a little bigger, maybe a little less. Maybe it's a very light size now. Just letting it be its kind of normal function. As you do so, just repeating to yourself, my solar plexus is working in balance. Feel a sense of balance and calm, clarity and energy. So just kind of notice that there. Bring your awareness back now to your breath, breathing in and out. Notice the cool breath as it comes in through the nose, through the back of the throat. Notice the natural movement of the body at the front, the ribs, the chest, the abdomen, rising, falling. Be aware of your body as it sits or lies, resting. The contact with the chair or the floor beneath you. Bring your attention to your toes and just give them a little wiggle as you awaken your body. And your fingers too. We might give our shoulders a little shrug. And when you're ready, with some awareness of the room, the sounds close by, we can blink open our eyes. So thank you very much for joining me today. You will find a large selection of meditations here on my channel. If you would like to like and subscribe, any comments are always welcome. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll be adding another meditation. I'm looking at a healing meditation for next Wednesday. Hope you can join me then. Thank you.